Should I say that it's becoming habitual for you to be lying and misleading Malawians? Other known factors or examples are:
However, upon arrival in Mzuzu, the pilot was unable to land the plane due to poor visibility occasioned by bad weather, and aviation authorities advised the aircraft to return to Lilongwe.
And then there was this issue of your promise.
And within the first 2 years of being president, I will change everything in the way that we run things. If I don't change everything in 2 years, I will resign.
Has corruption changed? Has the welfare of Malawians changed? It has. Hiked prices of goods. Has the economy changed? Yes. High inflations and several devaluations. Do we have forex, Mr. President? What is the country's development when people are sleeping hungry? Mr. President, do you realize that swearing in under oath and lying under oath is perjury? Same question goes to our members of parliament. Do you realize that the president, since that day he was sworn in, is under the obligation of oath for 5 years up to the end of his term? Our legislatures, do you defend and preserve the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi, or you're just part of the violation of it?
I, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, do solemnly swear that I will well and truly perform the functions of the high office of President.
Do you remember that, Mr. President? Are we citizens of Malawi protecting our hard-won democracy and its Constitution of the Republic of Malawi? Because enough has just become enough.